Hello guys! Many of you have asked me what I work with. I am a motivational coach who loves to help people to succeed in life by creating a clarified mindset which is focused on the future and positive goal setting. My coaching is inspired from the teachings of the law of attraction. What I also work with is to invest in HFX, high frequency Forex. So you might wonder, what is that? Many believe that those things are very complicated and that you have to have a business school degree to be able to do this. But I have an MBA from a Swedish university and I didn't learn to trade during my schooling. This is something I had to learn on my own. And it's not that complicated, I promise. So you might wonder why I do it. During my working life, I worked in different corporations with really great jobs, but I have always felt an urge to do some work on my own, where I could feel free from organizational politics, annoying bosses, meetings which I must attend to, the salary and its limitations. If you don't change a job, you don't increase your salary. And 9 to 5 and even longer working hours and so on. And to have to be in the office and all that. So what is this? This is Robert Kiyosaki's cash flow quadrant. It shows us 4 ways to produce income. On the left side, we have an employee and a self-employed. And on the right side, we have a business owner and an investor. And if you look at this quadrant, you will see that employee and self-employed, they are making 5% of the global wealth, while the business owner and the investor are making 95% of the wealth, and they are only 5% of the population. So this is really crazy, right? As an employee, you exchange your time for an income. If you don't work, you don't get paid. That's as simple as it is. As a self-employed, you work for yourself, but you cannot take 6 weeks of holiday because the business cannot work on its own, right? Then the big businessman or woman, they are people who have other people working for them. And these are often larger companies. For example, Google, Facebook, H&M, IKEA, and so on. And then we have an investor. And this person has figured it out and have the money working for them. And they travel and live a really free life. Do you know that 85% of people don't feel happy or fulfilled at their jobs? When we are not happy or fulfilled, it affects our confidence, self-worth, happiness, health, finances can suffer. If you feel that your daily job doesn't provide enough income for you to live a life which you desire, if you feel that in a future you would like to become financially free and only work a couple of hours per day and earn enough to live better than you do today, if you feel that you want to travel and work and live on different locations throughout the year, then this is really for you. So what can you do? I'm a member of the IMA Mastery Academy, which is a company with a mission for its members to learn and earn. This is no Become a Millionaire quickly program. This is a program which sets your mindset correctly so that you can create a large investment in a year or two. You can create a totally new lifestyle where you are free and work on your own terms. What does the IMA Mastery Academy offer? First of all, very simple video tutorials from the ground basics to advanced knowledge, which help you develop trading strategies. You don't need any business school or a knowledge since before about business strategies. This is something anyone can learn. Then you have a supporting community which are there for you, together with you working on your mindset and helping you on your journey to become a professional investor. The best of all, you have go live sessions with world's best investors, traders, who not only share their knowledge and strategies with you, they also trade together with you and thousands of other learners like you on live webinars. So that means that you can start trading from the first day with the help of these go live sessions. And they are held several times with different professional investors, educators every day. So you're free to choose which one you want to learn from and trade together with on a daily basis throughout the week. There is another part of the IMA Mastery Academy, which is to offer compensation possibilities to its members. And this means that through network marketing, you can earn a monthly income. So if you recruit 12 subscribers, you will earn $600 per month. And if you recruit 75 subscribers, your income will be $2,000 per month. And what's more here is that if your subscriber recruit 2 people in the group, then these 2 people are also counted into your group. So together with the subscriber which you recruited and the 2 ones which he or she recruited, you have 3 people or subscribers in your group. And this is really amazing with this compensation plan. So as I said before, this is no Become a Millionaire in 1 week process. This is a process for people who want to buy a new home, a new car, pay off their loan in a soon future, and yes, also to become a millionaire, but in a certain time. On the left side, a screenshot is shown. It is from a website called compounddaily.org/calculator. There, you put your initial amount which you would like to invest. This sample shows $200. Then we put the interest rate 2%, and that is actually the approximately interest rate which you could count on if you trade daily and stick to the rules. After that, we put the number of days for how long we want to invest. And I put 360 days as 1 year. And then we have if we're gonna withdraw. And it stands 100%, so it means that we are not gonna withdraw anything from the account until the 360 days has passed. and then at last we can choose if we want to trade on weekends. And we do not trade on weekends because the market is closed then. So if we do put $200 as an initial amount in 1 year, with consistent daily investing, we can actually count to have $250,000 after 1 year. And this is really amazing. And some of you might think, but I'm not able to trade every day. And that is also okay. You can do it 3 times or 2 times per week and still earn a really nice income after 1 year. So go on compounddaily.org/calculator and check on your own how much you could grow your initial amount. So if you found this information helpful and you would like to learn a little bit more about this, then I would suggest that we make a Zoom meeting. And you do that by contacting me on my email, which is carpediem@gmail.com. It's here also. Thank you for watching. Bye.